What's up, guys? My name is Mojit, and today I'm going to be talking about science and crap like that. I know my room is a mess. I didn't have enough time to clean it all, but screw it. So yeah, we're going to talk about space science and stuff and atoms and stuff like that. How things compress into very dangerous things. So atoms are like the things that... I mean, this isn't going to be like a usual video of mine. It's probably going to be a one-time thing, but maybe like once every 5 years. I don't know. But atoms like make up everything. The chair I'm sitting in right here is made out of atoms. This whole room is made out of atoms. Everything is made out of atoms. The camera I'm using to record this is made out of atoms. You're made out of atoms. Everything is made out of atoms. But... it's basically numbers. Everything is made out of numbers, as you can see video games are. But everything is. This is made out of numbers. Well, what I mean by that is, if you don't know what atoms are, just click out of the video. Or skip this part. But neutrons and all the crap like that, if there's not enough protons, that's how many electrons there will be on the outside, which goes nearly the speed of light. But they... well, it depends how much protons there are to make up a certain atom. If there's like 3 protons, I think it makes helium. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure hydrogen is 1 proton, so 1 electron. Simplest atom out there. It's the easiest one to make. It's the most common atom. Yeah, so let's move on to some other stuff. So people think that the biggest things are on Earth. You be wrong. The biggest things are actually not on Earth. They are way in space. The biggest thing is actually the universe. Actually, the multiverse. Actually, existence. Okay, it's huge. It goes forever. It's pretty big. I mean, my head is nothing compared to the sun. Even Canis Majoris. It's huge. It's 2 billion times the size of the sun. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Yeah, it's a pretty big thing. It's a star. It's over there. Probably not. I have no idea where my stars are. I know what they are, but I don't know where they are. Yeah. But... yeah, stuff like that. The mediocre stuff, like the biggest things in our solar system, besides the sun, that huge sun over there. Sun, where are you? I gotta go find the sun. Be right back. Found it. Just went outside. But, yeah. There we go. Stars are one of the biggest things, and the things that stars make is galaxies, which are huge. And in the middle of galaxies are black holes, which I mainly inspired me to make this video. Black holes are like they are the most densest things in the multiverse. They are, well, their volume, not music volume, like, not that volume. Volume is like size. But their volume is 0, but their density is infinite. So, yeah, try to beat that. 1 billion density. Screw that. Black holes have infinite density. But, yeah, they are the most densest things. And they just suck everything up that goes in their way. But how they are made is this big star. Big stars. Like, huge stars. They, when the middle runs out of fuel... I'm just saying this in the most simplest way. When the middle runs out of fuel, it compresses on itself and gravity wins, and it becomes so small and so packed together, it makes a black hole. And then, well, right when the black hole happens, a portion of a second, a middle of the star has a beam of supernova that goes nearly the speed of light. And then the rest of it does the same thing. But you get the idea, and then a black hole is formed, which can suck everything up if it's strong enough. But they're not that strong. I mean, they can't suck up all the galaxies in the universe at once. They're not that strong. They actually help make galaxies. They have such a gravitational what is that? Is that? Yeah, that word does exist. Oh my gosh, it does. It's kind of sad. But the gravitational pull, it just makes like that little swirly thing every time you see the galaxy. I used to think that thing was our solar system. And I used to think the solar system was called the universe, and I thought the universe was extremely tiny. And I thought I was the center of it. I'm just kidding. I didn't think that. I knew the sun was. But I didn't know that. I thought, you know what? When I was little, I used to think, I didn't think the world was flat. I thought the world was halved. And all the land was on that little straight place. And then all the other parts looked like the world, how you see it. But nope, it's circular. Or, what's the word? I don't know. Dang it. Well, I can't think of that word. Makes it look like a circle, but the biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter, that big planet that saves us from all these asteroids and meteors. Because of its huge gravitational pull. Yeah. It's pretty good gravitational pull. I love this chair. I love this desk and new stuff. But yeah, it has a super big gravitational pull. I know it won't suck up planets, but it will gravitate, whatever the word is, around it, like asteroids. I think, is that what its rings are made out of? Some people think Jupiter doesn't have rings. It does, just not that many people say they have rings, except really smart scientists. They'll get sued if they don't say that they have rings. So, yeah. Saturn has big rings. Biggest one. And Uranus? New subject. Yeah, but it's just one Andromedas galaxy. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a galaxy that is super close to the Milky Way, which is the galaxy we live in, and it's in like a few billion years. It's a big number, by the way. Us humans will probably not exist in a few billion years, but in a few billion years, that galaxy will collide with the Milky Way and destroy the Milky Way. Boom. Or maybe something else will happen. But like all the stars collide to forming black holes, and then all of them get sucked in, and then making a new galaxy. Boom! New galaxy formed, the Milky Andromedas. Yum. I don't know. But But the Milky Way is our galaxy. It's our home, and we live in it, and we have to make the best of it because it won't last long. In a few billion years, I won't be alive at then. You probably won't be alive at then. Humans probably won't be alive at then. The sun may not be alive at then, but who knows? Who knows? Anything can happen in a few billion years. Yeah, but scientists haven't discovered, they have discovered other life on planets, but it's not like humanoid aliens. It's actually microscopic cells. Boring, I know. I'm actually kind of running out of time on this, but I love to talk about space. I can talk about it for hours, but I'm running out of time on this video, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Emoji out.